veteran John Davis. Check that out. There it is. There it is. John's right there tonight, our honoree. Check that birdhouse out, guys. How much you want to bet on it? $1,000. Who'll give me $1,000? I'm going to go $1,000, 9, 8, 7. Give me 100. Look at $25 go in a birdhouse. Now 30. Now 40. I got 30. Now I got 40. Now I got 50. Now I got $60. $60 about 60. Now I got 70. I got 70. Now 80. I'm at 70, 80, 90. I'm at 80. We're going to get 90. Now the Bob to go 90. $100. Bob to go 10. 110. The Bob to go 110. Now the Bob to go 110. $100 bid 110. I'm at 100. Now I got 110. The Bob to go 110, down to Bob to 110, we're going to give 110, down to Bob to give 110, $100, 110. Look for other people, Dick. I got 100, 110, 110. She was right beside you. Now 20, I got 120, 130, 130. We're going to poker, give me 130. I got 120, 30. She's out, give me 130. You're out, Jan, you want to bid 130. I got 120. I know you got the money, give me 30. You don't want to have the time, but you got the money. 130, 120, $130 was out of bid. We're going to give $130, Bob to go 120, 30, 30. 30. Give them all a big round of applause. I sold it right over here. Mr. Ren Van Gilder, $120. $120. What's your number, Ren? 98. 98. You guys are a great crowd. You're a great crowd. King